Welcome to our guide on using the Uncategorized Transactions page in Docyt. First, let's access the Reconciliation Center by following these steps. Within the Reconciliation Center, you can access uncategorized transactions by choosing either the Summary or Uncategorized Transactions menus. The Uncategorized Transactions section lists all transactions not automatically categorized by Docyt's Autopilot feature. The section header offers several features for effective transaction management. These include filters for date, description, vendor, account, and amount. There's also a bulk action button and a checkbox to show only flagged transactions. Use the bulk action button to flag transactions for review, exclude them from categorization, or download them as a CSV file. The Show Only Flagged Transactions checkbox allows you to focus on transactions flagged for review. Now, let's explore the different filter options. Use the checkbox to select all expense, income, or all transactions at once. Filter transactions by specific dates using the From and To sections. The Vendors filter helps you view transactions from specific vendors. Use the Account filter to view transactions associated with specific bank or card account numbers. Sort transactions by exact amount or a range using the Amount filter. Filter transactions based on documentation status, such as undocumented transaction, no document needed, or documented transactions. Click the ellipsis button on a transaction to add a document, send a message, view details, flag for review, exclude from accounting, or indicate no document is required. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.